Your data is only as valuable as the ability for people to use it. If your industrial and operations data is locked in the dark recesses of data silos, you're being held back by point solutions that don't scale, or your data isn't meaningful, making it difficult for people of different functional domains to use. You're not alone. To drive operational improvement, you need a better way to aggregate and contextualize data from sensors, controls, and other industrial assets and systems. Rockwell Automation FactoryTalk DataMosaix is a powerful industrial data ops solution that empowers manufacturers to make complex industrial data more valuable. Imagine being able to bring together IT data, OT data, and engineering technology data in a single solution to securely deliver trusted data that's ready to use to the people that need it. FactoryTalk DataMosaix breaks down silos and optimizes the broad availability and usability of industrial data with a unified edge-to-cloud data hub that transforms raw data into knowledge, enabling high-impact applications for real-time decision-making. From root cause analysis and trending to predictive analytics, DataMosaix eliminates the time and energy spent wrangling data and provides a single source of truth to solve challenging problems, improve productivity, and accelerate digital transformation. If you're tired of drowning in unusable data, FactoryTalk DataMosaix can help by extending meaningful industrial data to subject matter experts throughout the enterprise. It can help you contextualize, use, and repurpose industrial data while providing the needed scale and security to rapidly address new use cases. With FactoryTalk DataMosaix, teams can efficiently work with their data, quickly deploy analytics and visualization applications at enterprise scale, and unlock new value to optimize production. Put your data to work with FactoryTalk DataMosaix. Learn more. Contact us today.